You guys, how far now? Welcome back to my channel. So, I'm up between yesterday and today. I've taken two trades and both were losses. Currently, we're on GBP USD. Alright. So, wait, what's going on? Okay. So, GBP USD. I was expecting GBP USD to drop because first, let me show you the dollar index. Right. So, yesterday, looking at the dollar index, let me go to the daily charts. So on the daily charts, this is Friday, which is today. This is Thursday, this is Wednesday. Look at what happened before we opened on Wednesday. Look at this huge gap that the market left before we opened on Wednesday. And price, I believe, was trading down to fill in this volume imbalance I see. That's what it did. So after I filled in that imbalance, I'm expecting it to trade back up because we have accomplished the goal for the week, right? If I go to the weekly charts now, as you can see, we have this long candle all the way from up here down here into that volume imbalance, and the body of the candle is staying above it. So go down to the daily charts. We have this gap. I'm expecting price after hitting this volume imbalance to trade back into the range. Go to the 1 hour chart. So this is it, but it's keeping that gap open. So it still wants to come back out of this range, still going down. That's what it looks like. So let me just skip the analysis and go straight to the trades that I took. So what I trade primarily is GBP USD. Yesterday, I saw that on Tuesday we had this move up, which is basically the same as this gap down. We had this gap here in GBP USD. We had this gap here. Price came up and created equal highs. As you can see, if I go up to the daily charts, we have equal highs. So looking at this, let me zoom in. After price comes up here and taps this high and rejects like this, I'm expecting it to pull back down into this gap, right? Before we now get a continuation, but it's not pulling back at all, it's just going up. So I had a bearish bias that we are going to pull back down before we continue upwards, but it didn't give me that. So look at on the 1 hour time frame, going back to yesterday, which was Thursday, that is here, yeah, here. This is Thursday. Let me remove this indicator. So we had this equal lows, and when we have equal lows like this, that means sell side liquidity is down here, and the market is likely to gravitate to it. But what happened? Go back down to the 5 minute charts. Yesterday, I was looking for a setup to bring us down here into the sell side liquidity, but look what happened. It just kept on going up. I think I took a sell around here. It dropped down a little bit, but stop loss. Today again, being Friday, I was expecting a sell. So what happened? London session is when I trade. This is London session. Price went up, took buy side, and we had this displacement. We had a shift in market structure here. Look at this swing low, broke it here, left this fair value gap. So this gap is here. This candle traded into it. It just touched the bottom of it, which triggered my entry, and then it dropped. So when I saw this drop, this gave me hope that I was on side. But look at what happened. My stop loss was up here, rammed through it, and continued upwards. So I don't know. I've just been offside throughout this week. Like I've just been upside. So two losing trades, and my account currently is at um 180k. It's currently at 180k. 18625. Summary of the trades I took for the week. So as you can see, last week's trade, that's for this week. And then now to look at the trades, minus 5,000. So okay. So just straight up notice. I don't know what's going on, but I'm still managing my risk and trying not to lose my mind. We'll see what next week holds. So maybe for next week, by Monday, we'll probably attack the. Oh shit, I'm not sure. Uh, by Monday, we'll probably attack the buy side liquidity. That is these highs. I'm gonna trade it up into it, and then we'll see what happens. Whether it's gonna pull back down into the range, which is this gap here, or we're going to continue for these highs here. So that's the updates, and yeah, I'll catch you guys next time.